Good morning. I was sitting here at work just working on building some machines for some users coming in, and got to thinking, with the usual motorcycle travel I do, I've got my camping gear that I'll put on it when I'm on a trip, but sometimes I just take day trips out where I don't need camp gear. And I'm thinking, it's like, well, I've got a 72-hour kit for my car, but it's not going to fit on the motorcycle. So why not see if I can downsize to a smaller bag that'll fit on the bike when I'm out on a day trip, that would still cover, the 10 C's that would allow me to survive just in case of a breakdown or just getting stuck, or anything that can happen on a road. So I was sitting there going through my head what all I had as spare gear at home and what I might need to pick up. And I think, other than a couple things, I might have everything to make this happen. So this is just a teaser. I'm gonna put some stuff together and see how quickly I can get stuff in and get this kit built, hopefully this weekend, minus maybe one or two things that may still have to ship. So anyway, check back later and see what kind of kit we come up with.